how to use Firecrawl AI for web research. First, open your web browser and go to the official Firecrawl website. Click Start for free and sign into your account. Once you're inside, enter a topic or question in the search box. Firecrawl will find relevant web pages and provide their content in a clean, AI-ready format. You can then open a result and use Scrape to extract the content from a specific web page. This is useful when you need detailed information from an article, documentation page, or other website. If you need information from an entire website, use Crawl. Firecrawl can discover and process multiple pages and return the information as clean markdown or structured data. You can then use the extracted information for research, summaries, reports, or AI projects. That's how you can use Firecrawl AI for faster web research. If this video helped you, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.